Got him. Big. That's not a largie, dude. That's a Kentucky bass. Or is it a large? He's got some markings on him. Keeper? Nah. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. See you later today. So. Look at this thing, dude. It's got some markings on it too. Yeah, but look at this. This is fresh, dude. Pickerel. Got this one off of my fishing bucket list. Another. Think so? Oh. Got him. Got him. Got him. Look at that. Yeah. Come on, get him in. Take him in. Come on, I'll help. Come on. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Oh, man.
It counts. We got it out of the water.
Dude, that was a behemoth. Yeah. Got him. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, I got another one. I got another one. No, I don't. Am I recording?
Yeah,
Got him. That's big. Got it. Holy crap, I got another one.
I got it.
Get him. Yeah, it's a fish.
Oh, it is a fish. It was a good fish.
Because they're little bitty.
Oh, it's so tiny.
It's a little bitty pickerel.
Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, that's your fish.
Double slam. That's awesome, dude.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Yeah.
That's how we had that special. Just cut it off like a 5 pound. Look at the size of it.
That's beautiful right there. I don't have anything to weigh it with, but I'm gonna say that's 4 to 5 pounds. Sure are catching a lot of Yankee fish. Oh no. Got him. Fish on. Oh, God. Size of that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous fish. Look at that. Whew. That's pretty good. What was? What happened to your bait? Come on. Just snapped it like that.
It just
They will just pull this line out. I got like yards of backlash now. Thanks, little buddy. Oh, yeah, be quicker than that. Dude, that's cool. Oh, this sucker got some fight. Look at that thing. That's gorgeous. Whew. Did I just catch you? You had some fight in you, buddy. You had some fight. Get on, bud. Oh, had him. Never seen bass fight like that, dude. Like they just turned down. Dude, that thing's like great. Easy, easy, easy. Now let's keep reading fish. There you go. Shoot. Broke my line.